Yep, you seen the title in the thumbnail. We doing red velvet cookies plus Valentine's Day coming up, and I got a lot of people I want to impress, and that's you. And I know you guys got that special person you want to impress for Valentine's Day. So get in your kitchen, let's go. All right, so let's do a quick rundown of the ingredients. Right here we have some self-rising flour here, butter, we have some white chocolate chips here, some sugar, salt, cocoa powder, vinegar, baking soda, light brown sugar, some red food coloring, vanilla extract, and we have an egg right here. That's all you're gonna need. Let's get to it. All right, to get started, we're gonna use a large bowl like this. We're gonna take our butter, we're gonna add it here, and we're gonna place this in the microwave for about 40 to 45 seconds. We wanna get it 80% melted. Don't melt it all the way, but just about 80% melted. So I'm gonna go over here, throw this in the microwave, and I'm gonna come right back. All right, so as you can see, our butter is about 80% melted. All you're gonna do now is you're gonna take a whisk and you're gonna go ahead and just whisk it in until it gets all melted. So it's gonna look more like a solid cream or something like that. So it's not going, you know, when you melt butter, it has that like translucent look. This here is gonna be more like a cream like this, just like that. You're gonna come behind that with your granulated sugar and your brown sugar. And you're gonna whisk that too until it's well combined. Just like that, guys. Now we're gonna come behind that with our vanilla extract and our 1 egg. We're gonna mix that in also until it's well combined. All right, looks like we're good there. Now we're gonna go in with our food coloring and our vinegar. Again, get that well combined in there also, just like this. And of course, you know that baby's gonna turn that bright red color. So you know you're doing the right thing. All right. All right, so now that we've mixed that in, we're gonna come behind that with our flour, cocoa powder, baking powder, and our salt. And we're gonna get that mixed in too, just like this. And you're gonna notice that the dough is gonna become a little sticky as you get it mixed up. All right, now we're gonna stir in our chocolate chips, or white chocolate chips, like that. And we're gonna get those mixed in too. Just like that, guys. All right, guys, so you wanna go ahead and set your oven to 350 degrees. And I'm gonna take a cookie scooper like this. This one is about 2 inches in diameter and about 2 tablespoons. And we're gonna take just get our cookie out of our bowl like that. And we're gonna sit it here. I got some parchment paper here. We're just gonna sit it here. And we want these babies to be about 3 inches apart. All right, guys, this is what we have. Looks like I got about 13 cookies on this particular baking sheet. As I said, make sure your oven is preheated at 350 degrees. We're gonna get these babies in here, bake them for 10 to 18 minutes. I know that's somewhat of a big spread, but some people's ovens, or if you're using an electric oven or gas oven, gets hotter than others. So, but you wanna make sure you pay attention until bake them until the cookies are set. The middle is still gonna look a little underbaked, but then once you pull them out, they're gonna cook while you let them rest, and that's how you're gonna make them really, really soft, all right? So let's get them in the oven, like I say, 10 to 18 minutes, and we're gonna come back. And guys, this is what we have right out the oven. I had mine in there for 14 minutes. I'm using a gas stove, so it works pretty good for me. Like I say, these babies they're set, and they're still a little bit underbaked in the middle, but we're gonna let them rest and let them cool down before we give them a taste test, all right? And there you have it, guys. Red velvet cookies with white chips. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. Let's go ahead and jump into quality control so we can test it out. All right, we back in here, quality control. Man, take a look at that right there. Y'all know that, y'all love that for real. Let's go ahead and take one of these cookies right here. I'm gonna sit this right here, man. We're gonna break this baby up right in front of y'all on this camera. Oh man. It's white chocolatey, cookie. Oh man. That's what I'm talking about. Oh man. Man, that baby's soft too moist. I know y'all trying to impress somebody for Valentine's Day. And even if you ain't watching this around Valentine's Day, you still out there trying to impress somebody, I know. And these babies gonna do the trick. So, oh man, to the end. Y'all already know who I am. All wings, everything. And remember, I'm not a chef. I just cook a lot. And now I'm out. Peace.